Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tuya Smart Door Sensor, a fantastic addition to any smart home security system. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on content like this, so let's jump right into it. The Tuya Smart Door Sensor is equipped with Zigbee communication method, providing a stable and reliable connection. It's solar powered, making it easy to install and reducing energy costs. Plus, it's ready to go out of the box, so you can easily install it without any complicated setup or configuration. With 2 control channels, you can easily control the door sensor from your smartphone or tablet, giving you peace of mind when you're away from home. One of the best features of this smart door sensor is the ability to receive push notification messages when the door/window opens or closes, so you can discover any intruders in time. Additionally, you can share the device with your family members and track the history of sensor activities, providing a comprehensive security solution for your home. When it comes to installation, it couldn't be easier. No complicated tools are required, and the sensor can be installed with double-sided adhesive tape or screws included. Simply download the Tuya or Smart Life app from the Google Play or App Store to add the device and detect the status of your door/window. In terms of specifications, the Tuya Zigbee door/window sensor works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, and is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. The quiescent current is less than or equal to 45 UA and the alarm current is less than or equal to 130 mA, ensuring efficient power usage. And with the Zigbee 3.0 wireless signal standard, you can be confident in the reliability of this device. So, if you're ready to take your home security to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Tuya Smart Door Sensor. It's a simple and effective way to bolster the security of your home and enjoy peace of mind when you're away. You can find the product link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.